Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. Full rotisserie restoration. A little over 1,300 miles on the build. Got an original 289 in it. 4-speed manual. Got a cloth top and a cloth boot. Wood steering wheel. Rally pack. Gorgeous, super straight body. Brand new rims and tires all the way around. These are American Racing. They look just like the originals, but they are a little bit bigger. These are 235 60R 15s. Wrapped in BF Goodrich. TA radials. Gorgeous car. Everything is brand new. Beautiful fitment of all the panels. It's got dual exhaust. Chrome sills. New door panels, cranks, handles, felts. Beautiful rear mirror. Rubber mats. Beautiful. Power top. As nice as it gets. It's got dual exhaust. AM radio.
I'll tell you what about Boba Chat.
Still works. So cool. Rally pack. It's an original rally pack. Doesn't look like the clock's working. Tack works though. Beautiful dash. Gorgeous center console. Right down to the seat belts. Just so pretty. Under the hood, we got the original 289. Chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner, original hoses. Those are Ford Motor Company hoses. Original tower clamps. Looks like we get our new fuel pump. And you can tell nice cars by the original stamped VIN 289. Strut tower brace. So pretty. Comes with some original parts. It's got brand new hooker headers in here. There's the gaskets, the flanges, brand new in the box. Everything's included. Edelbrock high-rise manifold, some hood hinges, Ford Motor Company valve covers are finished in black with the matching air cleaner over there. There's our gaskets for the headers, some touch-up paint, brand new starter, some other miscellaneous small parts, brand new pedals. I think they're already on the car. That might be the original. Blaster coil, another Edelbrock carburetor that's included, and filters. Tell how he keeps his stuff. Very particular. 4,000 miles on that M2 competition. Amazing. Finished trunk. Spare tire. Some slate frames go with it. Beautifully done. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a buzz. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 250 photos I took today on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.